Hello, everybody. Today we're going to try to do some coding challenges. I'm going to do a quick introduction first. My name is Tom, and I work for freeCodeCamp, and I created the relational database courses that are now available on freeCodeCamp.org, and I will share a link in the description to those if you want to try them out. With me here is Shaun. You want to introduce yourself, Shaun?
Yeah, sure. Hello, Codebreakers. So my name is Shaun. I also work for freeCodeCamp, and I created the Rust and Replit course as well as the Euler Rust project.
Whoops.
Yeah.
There he is. Okay, so what are we gonna do today, Shaun?
So today we have been invited by .tech domains to do their Break the Code. This is the second time Break the Code has come out. The first time was in 2020, and it was hugely popular. So today, Tom and I are going to be going through and doing a let's play of Break the Code 2.
Yeah, I haven't checked it out at all other than this first screen. And
Yes.
I don't really know what it's all about, but looks like there's some sign in to get playing, rules, and prizes. Let's check out some rules. Basically, there's like a timeline. It says there's 8 days left, which would make it finish on April 15th, I think. So if you're able to get it done by April 15th, you can win some of these prizes. Is that how it works?
Yes, that sounds about right. So they started on April 1st and they open these drives sequentially, and each drive contains missions that you do. And we're going to find out what those missions are for drives 1 and 2. But currently, drive 3 is open, which you can complete and win the prizes associated with that drive.
So it's like there's some pretty nice prizes here. Good old PS1 and a PS5. So yeah, we're gonna try and finish these first 2 drives today, I think, and then yeah, if you finish drive 1, you can potentially win a PS5 or some other things. Drive 2, the grand prize is a MacBook Pro, and drive 3, $5,000 worth of Ethereum. Is that right?
Wow.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, that's quite impressive.
And
Yeah,
I
these
don't
are
know
awesome
what.
prizes.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. Codebreaker's layer. Custom gaming rig and monitor. Okay, and share. Oh, that's what this is right here. Grand
Right, yeah.
prize. All right. Well,
I suppose if
let's.
you are watching this post when the competition has ended, you're still welcome to watch and get the entertainment value from Tom trying to go through this.
Oh,
Um,
I'm gonna
so
find a way to drag you into this. Don't worry about it.
I think we're going to try and treat this as a peer dev session. Supposedly the missions are quite a bit like, I suppose, coding challenges. So, but let's find out.
All right. Well, I started this up, and it says I have a new email from CareHQ, and it's dated December '99. Looks like it's some recruiter is looking to hire me. Suppose Outlook Express. So yeah, this is kind of cool. We got like a Windows 95 or 98 theme going on.
Yeah, I believe it's 98. No, this is awesome. Click on Clippy there.
Let's see. I got the job at Care. Okay. Yes, I read the first sentence of that email. Anyway, I'm clicking on Clippy
No.
and not much is happening. Oh, something happened.
Oh well.
A bunch of stuff showed up. Don't click me. Okay.
That's tempting, isn't it?
It sure is. I guess we'll just close the email and play around a little bit. We got log off, shut down, classic.
I'll see what programs they have there.
Notepad,
Not
code editor. Wasn't Notepad the code editor back on 98?
Notepad was just everything text. Oh, we have Easter eggs left behind.
Well, I can't type. All right, so I'm assuming this is maybe something we're going to be using.
Well, imagine we'll try and use a lot of it.
Mineweaver. This is like riding a bike here.
Bringing back good memories.
Yeah. Did you ever play Minesweeper?
Oh yeah, quite a lot. I didn't spend much time on Windows 98, but I had Windows XP for about 10 years until Windows 10 came out, and then I upgraded from XP to Windows 10. So it was quite the jump.
Yeah.
Well, we know we're supposed to go through the drives, so I
Okay.
think we should just start with drive 1.
Oh, I'm hearing noises. I don't know if that's coming through or not.
I can't hear any.
Revamp. It's the old yeah, Napster, Winamp and Napster. This is classic. What have we got here? Drive 1, I guess we'll click on this. Okay, Codebreaker Tom. Even though you're still considered a recently recruited codebreaker, Care will be assigning you a mission of top-level importance. 3 of our essential satellites have been systematically disconnected during recent sync attempts. Okay, so we've got some satellites that are disconnected. Sounds like a problem. Our technicians have had a hard time identifying a pattern, but they have uncovered traces of a virus linked to the anarchist organization Gang. Okay, our intel has uncovered 4 areas of investigation that we believe could have clues to regain control. We need you to assess the situation and attempt to access the damaged systems. At the same time, keep an eye out for Gang's methods that we can exploit down the line. Okay, oh boy, maybe that's, we could take some notes or something. In Drive 1, you'll find all the leads that we have collected in our investigations. Analyze each one and try to find the relevant connections. Report everything you find in HQ, as with all covert assignments, unless specifically authorized by HQ, take no action. All right, Sean. So, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking we're investigating. We're investigating their satellites going down, and we need to just report everything we find, including potentially if we find something useful that this anarchist organization has done, then we need to keep it in our repertoire of tricks to potentially use against them.
Okay. So maybe I should use that notepad. Well, let's just explore, I guess, and if we come across information, maybe we'll take a note. Drive 1. Okay, G drive. C drive, look at that. A giant bunny was spotted leaving. Go.tech slash IG.
Maybe open the Web Explorer.
Cheat codes.
That's also useful.
Web
Open that web.
Explorer.
Yeah, now go where Clippy told you to go.
Oh, jeez, I just said it.
Yeah,
Did you
no.
catch it?
No.
It was something dot tech slash IO. Oh, geez, and I hit the back button. Browser hotkeys took over. Drive 1, box of chocolates now.
No, go to one nada and go to that website.
Can't copy. There we go.
Awesome. Because obviously NADA are involved with getting the satellites up there, so they must be involved with the hack.
How did you put that one together? That just went right over my head. No. Okay. Moonwalking or moon driving. Got an article here. Security update. That sounds potentially useful.
And he had an unscheduled stop on a malfunctioning seatbelt. I don't know how much of this information is useful. NADA clearly needs a librarian. Oh, that's another hint we need to keep.
Okay, there's a lot of information here.
Go to frequently asked questions.
None of this is clickable.
No? Oh, okay.
None of this is clickable.
Did
What was
GitHub
that?
exist in
Death clock.
1999?
The internet's friendly reminder
There's
that
something
life is
about
slipping away. Click the lifespan. None of these are clickable, but that sounds scary. I wonder if it's a Y2K thing, probably. That's probably
Yeah.
what the ads look like on the internet. 99. The giant internet death is coming. Y2K.
So
Okay.
they recently needed to change their passwords, and currently there are 3-letter passwords. So that's something we can guess. If Michael Jackson moonwalked on the moon, would we call it a moonwalk? Would we, Tom?
What are you reading?
You didn't see the note from Clippy.
No. What did it say?
Michael Jackson moonwalked on the moon. Would we call it a moonwalk?
Yes. Yes, you would. So, really, probably should just read all this, huh?
No, I wouldn't. I think
Not that much.
if we get a gist of it, we can just move on. And if we need to come back to it, we will. I think there's probably weird hints in there, like when it talks about malfunctioning seatbelts and in memoriam of Charles Pete, and the fact that all passwords are currently 3 letters. P.S. Please do not use the same 3 letters 3 times. That sounds like a hint.
That's what Clippy said?
No, right there on the.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
So the new format is 9, and the current 3 letters will be phased out. Yeah, this is.
Those arrows. Any idea where we're going with this?
So the other thing, there's these 3 buttons. Resolve is where we go when we think we have the answer, right? I already forgot.
Yeah.
So, but I don't have any answers.
Has used an astronaut's old account, right? Okay, so they used the 3-letter password to erase all the logs. And the first part of their password is CBC.
The first part of their new password. So is that the new? They use an astronaut's old account, so the astronaut's new account starts with CPC.
Use
Does that
this to
sound right?
advantage. Oh, you know what? The password is definitely CPC, CPC, CPC,
Why?
because it says PS do not use the same 3 letters 3 times.
Wouldn't that mean it couldn't be that? Please do not use the same 3 letters 3 times. Do not use.
Or, well, I don't know. If I'm told that with my password, I'm definitely going to do it.
So you're
And
saying because they said not to do it, that's what you would do?
yeah, that sounds about right in my mind.
Well, let's just try it, huh?
Are we allowed to get the answer wrong?
I don't know. But it looks like that's the format. Wrong
All right.
answer.
Okay.
Maybe we should just build a brute
What?
force script to try and.
Well, what if we now? What if we do permutations of that CPC? So we do CPC, CCP, PCC.
Think the whole answer, because that's just guessing.
Yes. Well, what's your what's your idea? Oh no,
Keep
no, no,
exploring until
no,
we
no.
find
Well, you got that wrong anyway.
what we're supposed to find. There's a lot of permutations there, I think.
Okay.
See what help. Hint, hint, hint. No, we don't want hints.
Hints,
We
hints are
probably need
cheating.
them, but
Yeah. We can
okay.
set ourselves a time limit, and if we don't get there, we'll just. There we go. Look, in memoriam of Charles Pete Conrad. That's why it's CPC.
Charles Pete Conrad. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Nice eyes on that one. A former Navy test pilot. Right there. CPC died at the hospital in Uji Ojai, Calif. My thought here was that in this little snippet on the left, we have 3 words that are capitalized, and then it says that. And I wanted to just kind of see if I could see anything else. Here's something,
Yeah.
JBI,
Yeah, I think that's probably also important.
James Benson Irwin. So we got 2 names and 2
Sets of 3
capitalized
letters.
abbreviations. Is there's seatbelt rock? No. Seatbelt rock. There's something about these astronauts, but it's 6 feet under. Okay, there's got to be another astronaut name
Well,
here somewhere.
that's because of the Charles Pete Conrad who died.
Okay, so they're making jokes about somebody's. Is that what's
It.
happening? Am I
I
getting
think
that right?
the theme here is death because we have the death clock, right? We have Y2K, and we have
Mm.
these astronauts. So that's definitely something.
So
Well,
if you
I
got
think
one dead astronaut, are these ones dead? No. Okay. What were you gonna say?
well, I think do you think there's anything in that hint that Clippy gave of
Of
um,
MJ?
no, who knew astronauts needed to be so fit? Look at those abs.
BS?
Maybe I'm thinking.
Was abs capitalized?
Oh, I can't remember. Well, I think you can always try. There's no harm in doing that. So
So we got CPC-JBI/ABS. Right. Uh,
any Buzz Aldrin's 66th birthday.
let's try this once. I think we're
I don't
kind of
suppose
on
it's.
the right
What if
track.
it's ABS JBI?
Well, we didn't find them in that order, so it can't be in that order. All right, and
Okay,
then
that's AB.
ABS.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Oh snap! We got it.
Awesome. Man, we're good at this.
Excellent extraction, Codebreaker. Now that we have the full password, we can take back control of the hacked account. So Gang won't be able to use it on our satellites.
I'm going to record that password. So there's CPC, ABS, and JDI. Awesome.
There you go.
Oh, we can
Share
share it.
card? No, I don't have.
Now, I'm pretty sure
My...
Twitter didn't exist back then.
Yeah, that's a good point. I'm
I think
not
we move
logged
on to
in
Napster.
on this. Oh, I get it now. I see. There's four things for drive one that we all have to finish.
Things to share with friends. What was it?
I saw pizza, but
Yeah, me too.
pizza and drinks, I think. So where did our three hints there? Two of them were in that article, and one came from Clippy, right?
I think they all came from Clippy because Clippy talked about the dead astronaut who was CPC. Clippy talked about the astronaut with the six pack,
But there,
with the abs, and Nada needs a librarian. That's
but
clearly the other hint.
there's no way to get the abs one without Clippy, and the other two were in that article.
I don't think there's anything saying that we have to find all of the hints on the one page.
Yeah.
But things to share with your friends. Clearly, songs is something. You're sharing 141 songs. So maybe this is another thing of three, and 141 is the first.
This looks very copyright problematic. What are they? Piracy? That's what they called it, right? Yeah, you're not supposed to do this.
You haven't even looked at the brief of this yet.
Okay. Brief. Mission Part 1B. Napster. We intercepted communication that revealed Gang's plan to inject a virus into Napster downloads. I knew there'd be a virus here.
So many typos.
Have you heard of this software? It's absurd. A place to share compressed music files through the internet. There's no way the public would be interested in something like this, but we need to get ahead of it. So begin your next mission. Do whatever you can to identify the virus. Okay, so potentially one or more of these files are viruses. And let's see, mission name, Napster. Drive 1, mission 2. Answer, okay.
So we have two hints so far. The one is things to share with friends. We saw pizza. I'm thinking songs is the other. And then something about looking at the songs, so many typos. If you know you're going to love or hate a song from the very first word. Ooh.
Well, I see a typo here.
Okay.
And
a lot of viruses do have typos in them.
Here's a typo. So I see two typos.
Are we looking for the letters that are missing? Like H and A?
It's a typo. Oh, maybe. B. Nobody's supposed to be here. So that'd be an H. And
Yep.
have you ever A. So HA. Hard Knock Life. Ghetto Anthem. Livin' La Vida Loca. I think that's probably the virus right there.
And Napster for movies.
Jumper. P. So HAP.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lenny Kravitz. Maybe there's typos elsewhere. Flyway. Missy Elliott. Trippin'. Is there another P missing there? Seems like there might supposed to be two P's here, but I'm not sure.
Difficult to say, yeah.
Nikki. It's not right, but it's okay. There's a comma missing. Give it to you. Oh, there's one. Why?
So far we've spelled the word happy. I don't think that's a coincidence.
So, shall we try it?
Happy, yeah. HAPPY.
Happy
Oh.
Gilmore? Let's see. Ooh, we've got more people here or
Oh
something.
no.
So this was Music Kid. Is that me? Is that us? And gang. Oh, there they are. That's the hackers or whatever. All right, let's see this one. Oldies but goodies. Robbie Robertson up on Cripple Creek. Mose Ellison? Mosey Ellison? Parchman Farm. Willie Nelson. Georgia on my mind. I should raise the flag. I don't see any typos.
Hmm.
No, this one here looks like there might be a typo because it has a capital D and a lowercase s.
Interesting. The one above also has a capital T though, so maybe the lowercase s is more important.
Yeah, like this one has on capitalized. So everything is capitalized, it looks like, except for S tier. Happy. Jeez. After a lot of this one's cut off. Can I see the rest? I wonder if I can. Okay, well, that's the only thing that I see. Frequencies, times, lengths.
Someone
Somebody,
missed a beat in a few of these songs. Someone
I don't.
missed a beat.
Yeah, I was looking at the length to try and see if something seemed strange. 555. That seems fake. Um, could go online and look up the length of the songs that they actually are to see if they match. That
We
sounds
do
like
have the
too
Web
much.
Explorer.
We do. I don't think we really have access to the internet though. I think my camera is a little off here.
You know, you're going to love or hate a song from the very first word. How do you tell if you're going to love or hate a song from the very first word? There's happy again.
Happy together.
Together. Maybe try happy together. Are we looking for one song or multiple songs?
Well, I think like this first area, we put together the word happy from the missing typos. So I don't know. I think we just need like one word or one group of words. So yeah,
And all the length of those songs is 0.
happy together.
Napster for movies.
So high school musical cast, we got some artists, and then we're all in this together, get together. We all stand together, better together, get yourself together, happy together. Well, this one has a longer dash than the
That's true.
rest of them.
Happy dash together.
So yes, you're right. The length is all 0. That could be a potential clue. File size is 0. So these are all clueless man, oldies but goodies, music kid. Can I click on anything else? Upgrade your Billboard magazine subscription. No, I don't want any help.
Well, suppose something else. I don't know. Can you go to the Web Explorer and go to go.tech/Reddit or something? /Reddit. No.
Should go and get help from the community, I suppose.
Was it Discourse or Discord? Well,
word.
there we go.
This is not.
No,
This is.
now Clippy's just giving us bad hints.
Clippy's getting frustrated with us. We are too slow.
Okay.
I think all the clues are in here though somewhere. You don't need.
Well, so far we're certain of happy, aren't we?
Pretty sure. Yeah.
Okay. So there's something about happy. There's
You can
something
get.
special about together there,
Yeah.
and the length of the songs. And so far, Clippy has said that something about missing a beat. I didn't catch that one. Um, we looked at the songs for the typos and things to share. Okay, 4 million songs, 150,000 users. I'd better get going. So you have 141 songs. Is that special?
I thought it said 140 when we first
I don't
started.
think so.
No. Okay. So I don't know. Were you going somewhere with that?
Well, I'm trying to think. Are we coming up with maybe another um, three set of three password? So I must have eaten a few of these
Mm,
songs.
I'm thinking it's just maybe 3 words. One word. Happy, I think, is the word for this page, and then we've got these other 2 pages. I don't know if we need to find a word in each one or a
Go
word
back.
combined.
Go back to the brief. Let's see if there's a hint there.
We intercepted communication that revealed Gang's plan to inject the virus into Napster downloads. Have you heard of this software? It's absurd, a place to share compressed music files through the internet. There's no way the public would be interested in something like this, clearly. But we need to get ahead of it. So begin your next mission and do whatever you can to identify the virus. Happy. So one of the files is going to be the virus.
I'm not sure if it's just one file, but
Yeah, you might be right, but you would think like happy together would be it.
so what if you type in that whole thing, the turtles dash happy together .mp3?
There you go. Now you're thinking. Turtles happy together MP3. No, did I misspell something?
Try without the .mp3.
I just feel like we're missing something
Hmm.
because there's still typos here. Like there's this dash and something on this page.
Let's pretend that's a hint. You know what would be great? Napster for movies.
Are any of these movies?
Quite possibly.
High School Musical, that's a movie, kind of.
Yeah.
All in this together. Get together,
Yes.
we all stand
I
together.
suppose the turtles, maybe.
This one is not capitalized either, this I. Everything else is capitalized, almost. And the and.
Yeah, but those aren't supposed to be capitalized if this was written correctly.
But they are all capitalized everywhere else. Here, in the... Maybe it's supposed to be capitalized when it's a song?
Pick songs and bring them together into a brand new playlist. That's what we're doing.
We can't do anything with these.
No, no, no. But we're clearly trying to take a collection of all of these songs and make a brand new playlist. So,
I think we just need a few word answer is what we need. I don't know what you mean by make a playlist.
well, there's something in all three of those that would make a playlist.
Write down these uncapitalized letters. S
Okay. Yes.
I
I,
A it. And then there's this weird dash. Okay. What were you saying now? We need to make a playlist somehow? I don't know.
Well, try that. Try happy-sia.
Sure. It'd be capitalized.
I wouldn't put a space, but
Sia.
yeah.
Sia. Is that a song? Sia is an artist.
Well, then you should say sia-happy. Yeah.
Come on, fingers crossed. Capital S.
Oh, I wonder how specific it's going to be.
Hmm. Sia.
.mp3.
Oh, good call. Do you know any of her songs by chance?
No. Nothing's coming to mind.
Um, hmm. It sounds like that's on the right track, to be honest. I don't know. Sia, happy together. This whole page has the word together in it.
Yeah.
Kind of strange.
Okay, well, let's keep that in our minds. So we have happy and together, and go to oldies but goodies.
Go to oldies but goodies.
What's special about this one? Because we haven't really seen anything other than the missing capitalized. Yeah, you can another hidden song from the very first word. I assume that's happy. Maybe it's not.
Love or hate.
Well,
So that whole page is capitalized weird too. Hey, here's another typo. There's a colon right there.
interesting.
What did that last sentence say? Upgrade to the new millennium to
Yeah.
fix the virus? So if I change my time? Break the code to prizes catalog.
Yeah, it's nice.
Um,
I think go to start and look for a way to change the date.
in Napster or
No, I'd say
in
it's
start settings? Display. Hmm.
so there's a show clock thing there.
In settings?
Yeah, but just show clock it wasn't. Well, click show hidden files and folders. That might be useful for later.
There we go.
No, don't click that. You need to
Display.
say apply.
That looks interesting. That's potentially helpful later on or something. Select screensaver. Okay, we'll go to this one anyway because
Okay.
Okay. So chat, I don't see a way to change the. I clicked on this. I can't change anything. Don't click me. Mine Leaper terminal. My computer.
What's in the README?
It's December 31st, 1999, the cusp of the new millennium. The electricity in the air makes this day feel like a once-in-a-lifetime event. The upcoming parties will be the stuff of legend. But while people plan their New Year celebrations in the real world, an unseen struggle is raging far from view, hidden away behind internet protocols and dial-up modems. Computers are facing their greatest threat since the Apple Newton, a new destructive virus disrupting digital services and quickly spreading the infection to the far reaches of the virtual world. But who's behind it? That's what you, codebreaker, need to figure out. Along the way, you'll meet other codebreakers not unlike yourself. Okay, I don't think we need to keep reading this. Error, read. Okay. File, edit, help about the game. Its prizes if you're stuck. This game isn't for the faint-hearted. All right, we can't give up on this, Shaun.
No.
So if you're here, don't fret. You're not alone. Of course, you need a little nudge in the right direction. Here are a few things you can try. Recruit a friend to unlock hints. The more code breakers you recruit, the more hints you unlock. Some call it sneaky. We call it a sure shot way to share the awesomeness. So I guess if I were to like maybe share this with you, I would get a better hint. Oh no,
Maybe,
we need
yeah.
to refresh current list.
Well, no, let's keep back with the hints we've just read. Okay. So we got this misspelled one. We know it's happy. The oldies but goodies. We know it's upgrade version. And the clueless man, it's together. So maybe you do need to share it for something. You have to do something together.
So what does that mean? Go on Twitter and Discord or something and share it with you?
I'm not sure. I don't know why it keeps saying the 4 million songs, 150,000 users.
Your recruitment link. Look at that. Can I paste it? Why don't you try visiting this?
Yeah, I can try.
Let me send it to you. That is what we're supposed to find, I think. It said something about this 6 degrees thing. I forgot what it was. Share your recruitment link. Get the most recruits and get awarded hint points and an iPad Air. Well, I'll be.
That sounds worth it.
Remember, recruiting existing code breakers does not count. Points are only awarded after the referred person completes the sign-up process. Recruitment points are reset for every drive. The table below updates every 4 hours. I think this is it. I have to have a recruit to do this, maybe. But there's still the hint about the time. It said upgrade to the new millennium. It's 10 p.m. right now. Maybe we just need to wait 2 hours.
That has been ticking up slowly, so there is a chance.
I keep wanting to
Okay.
empty my recycle bin.
Well, I'm in.
We could add your screen to the video. Maybe that just overcomplicates it. What do you see? Do you see exactly what I see?
Yeah, no, nothing looks different.
Um, Wall Street Journal. The mission is accessible only via Web Explorer revamp. Would you like a walkthrough? This is classic. I am just going to.
Hmm.
Out of that deck, I'm just gonna finish this one quick. Was it CPC-ABSSJ? Share with your friends. Maybe I'm supposed to share it. I'm not logged in.
Hmm.
Can write that down as a note. Maybe share together. But you're here now. I don't see your name here. Refresh. Okay, there you go.
Okay. Let me solve a mission.
Do you want to you should maybe talk about what you're doing, or potentially we should share things to share with your friends, Secrets Pizza and your 6 Degrees link. There you go.
Secrets Pizza and your 6 degree.
That was the hint that we missed.
Yep. Well,
But we got the pizza and the drinks right away, but it disappeared too fast. And then it took us half an hour to get to the next step. Um,
I'm just completing that first mission.
yeah, I already went back and did that too.
And I can share it.
You want to share it? I just don't feel like that's not gonna do anything, but maybe. Drive 1, blocks of chocolate. C drive, files, games. Now, it said upgrade to the new millennium, so
Go to the terminal. Go to the terminal and upgrade the time. Change the time.
how do I change the time from the terminal?
Type help.
Net.
So there's Clippy. There's time net, true.
Press port.
There's also hello.
The hints, yeah, there are hints, for the gray matter. 4-6. Clippy, you're too fast. I can't read.
Do hello. Type in hello.
Hello,
Brilliant.
Morris.
Okay, say ping.
Ping. Invalid parameters. What would be my address? I mean, we know about one, like nada.tech. Nothing.
Okay. Giant bunny was spotted leaving code. Tech.
Where's my history? Well, I gotta look at the cheat codes.
We need to upgrade the version of something. Is it Napster we need to upgrade?
Ping time average. I think we just need to explore stuff. It said upgrade to the new millennium. Upgrade the virus to the new millennium. So the virus would be upgrade the file, upgrade the system time, upgrade the Napster, leave behind 1999 and welcome 2000 with the latest tunes. Upgrade your Billboard magazine subscription today. Well, that sounds promising.
Yeah, that does actually.
Right in front of your face the whole time. Billboard.
So
I feel like that's it. In the terminal?
what? Install Billboard.
So clippy. I don't know about that. Leave behind any. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Upgrade your subscription. Online, Alessandro. That's probably just current version, 1999. Weird. You can click on that. Files. Dude, let's just look at all these. What's this? There's Bill Gates. Nothing. Oh, here's the MP3 file
Interesting.
in the C drive / files. Blue one love. I wonder if that is in the. Maybe I just
Can
need
you
to
hear
play it.
anything? It's a
It's
horse.
a horse. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Okay.
Download? I suppose we'll download it. I don't know what that's gonna do. Sounds like a horse again.
Okay. So
Blue one love. Okay, we can do that. That's not bad. Let's look at this one. We got a bear and some birds.
if you go to the cheat codes in the Notepad,
Where was that? Right here.
uh,
Yeah.
it has the link to the repository, and then in the terminal you can clone the repository.
You just did that, I take it.
No.
Oh.
So I
GitHub
would.
repo clone. Not connect to GitHub. Please try again. I did not have any success.
Hmm.
Did you do it?
No, I
Did,
don't.
did it work for you? Why don't you give it a try and tell me if it works? TimeNet address port install plugin. Install billboard. Install Napster. Okay. Upgrade your Billboard magazine subscription today. That's definitely the clue. I just don't know how to do it. Take screenshot and share.
I'm just manually going to the repo.
Okay.
Oh, you know why? That's not a link to a repo. That's just a link to someone's profile, to the Break the Code profile.
No.
And there's a repo in that profile called Neo, which is an advanced, free, and universal game trainer plugin for the operating system.
That was in the cheat codes?
Yeah.
Cheat codes. All right, let's check it out.
Just go to the first link there.
Popular repos, Neo.
So I think clone Neo into the 98 OS.
Plugin. install run hack x GitHub repo. All right, we'll try these. Terminal. That giant bunny was spotted leaving go.tech/ig. Easter eggs were left behind. Install, run. Okay, we clone the repository. Here we go. We got run hack x installed. Your run program has been upgraded to run hack x. You can now use it to execute cheat codes by simply going to the start, run hack x, and run hacks. It's probably run hacks.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Well, I mean, use the code HackerMan. That's 100 points.
Right, Clippy. I'm gonna put you over here. To execute cheat codes, but I'm gonna start. Use the code HackerMan to get a. No, that's not what we want to do. We want to do this. HackerMan. Woot.
I don't know what that's achieved, but it must mean something.
Yeah. What else to try?
So
Upgrade.
there's the hint of, obviously we've decoded the first one, right? We got happy.
Mm-hmm.
The second one as well, we got upgrade version. And then the third one helps with how to write the answer. Together. So happy upgrade version. Have we tried that?
I haven't tried much.
Yeah, well, that's for the sake of it.
Upgrade version. Happy. Together. Maybe we both need to enter it in the box at the same time. Together.
Yeah. I tried it without any spaces and it didn't work. Happy upgrade version together. The third one tells you how to enter it. Together.
Yes, you are here.
Happy 20.00.
It says you're getting that off Discord or Reddit or something, that the third thing tells us how to do it, how to enter.
Yeah. The third one helps with how to write the answer. So we have happy upgrade version 20,000. Or 20.00.
Current version.
I don't know if you get the same thing, but if you get an answer wrong, it makes a funny noise sometimes. I wonder if that noise is close.
Upgrade version. Install. It's just nothing. I got nothing. This is DevTools. Happy upgrade version
And
together.
and 19.99 or 20.00.
I was gonna say that maybe we should, I don't know, give it a little more time and see if we can just look up the answer. Give it up. We're on the second thing and we can't figure it out. This is some hard stuff.
Oh,
I keep looking at. I leave behind 1999. Welcome 2000 with the latest tunes. Upgrade your Billboard magazine. No. Oldies but goodies. Get in there.
replace upgrade version with the upgraded version.
You looked it up?
No.
Okay.
So put in your answer.
Happy 2000. Really? Is that what it is?
Well, I put it without the space, but yeah.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
It was all there. Just wow.
Oh no.
That yeah, that's it was right there.
It's sad when you have it, but yeah.
Happy upgrade version. Together. Wonder if it would have failed if you weren't in there with me. All
Well,
right.
I got through, so I don't think so.